When a computer speaker audio doesn't switch over to the audio jack, it may be that all you need is the latest Realtek high-definition audio driver. Follow these steps to help get the sound flowing through the audio jack. There is a difference between headphones and headsets. Headphones are simple stereo devices, while headsets are headphones with a microphone. This is an important distinction because as of June 2020, all Realtek audio drivers, versions 6.0.8940.1 or later, will enable the headphone audio jack automatically, making the Waves Max audio app optional when you're only using headphones. However, if you're using a headset, then you must use the Waves Max audio app or the Dell Optimizer app to enable and configure headsets to work properly. To check out all the Dell electronics and accessories that are available, click the link shown. Now to install the latest Realtek audio driver, go to dell.com/support. Enter your computer's service tag to identify your product, or if displayed, click This PC. You can click the link shown to be taken to the Dell support site directly. Click on Drivers and Downloads, then on Find Drivers. Select the proper operating system, and in the category field, choose Audio. Download the latest Realtek high-definition audio driver, allow the changes, and follow the on-screen instructions. The installation wizard will guide you through the process, which will take a few minutes. Be aware that a system restart is required to complete the setup. Choose between restarting now or restarting later, then click Finish. For additional troubleshooting audio issues, click the link shown to read our knowledge base article. If you want to check the status of your Waves Max audio app, right-click on Windows Start and go into the Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab and look for the Waves Max audio app to see if it's enabled. Anytime you have questions or need help, you can always contact us through social media at Dell Cares on Twitter for assistance. There are many other helpful videos available on this channel, so become a subscriber today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching this Dell Tech Support video production.